In problem number 2 of section 2.10, we use implicit differentiation to find the derivative of y with respect to x, where the curve we're differentiating is defined by this equation 4x squared plus 9y squared equals 1. Now, first step is just to differentiate both sides with respect to x, keeping in mind that y is assumed to be a function of x, at least locally. So take the derivative of the left-hand side. We have ax plus 2 times 9, or 18y. Now, since y is a function of x, we use the chain rule and multiply by dy dx. And on the right-hand side, the derivative of a constant is just 0. Now we can go ahead and solve for dy dx. If we move the 8x to the right-hand side, so minus 8x, and then divide by 18y. And finally, we can simplify. Divide both the numerator and denominator by 2. And we see that dy dx is equal to negative 4x over 9y.